Hey everybody, it's me Maria speaking, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. And this is nice slime, this is not mushy. I have another channel and it's called Christopher Junior Heart, and this girl actually thought my name was Christopher. Sorry, that's a mistake. That's my dad's channel, I just use it. And my name is actually Maria, by the way. So, yeah, if you're watching this, then you're going to be like, what? I'm going to be like, So, let's get started. Okay, so I just, fake sleeped in them. So, the things that you need is only one thing. No borax, no glue, not like that. Everybody should have it. It's shampoo. Or Mousse soap, but don't use conditioner. You could use what is it called? Body gel. You can use that. That's thicker and creamier, so it's better. Okay, so I have VOS, and I already put it into a little thing to put the slime in. So I'm gonna go get that. It's literally a couple feet away from me. So, for some reason, it feels like jelly a little, which is good. It's a little thick. I mean, this stuff is green looking. You might have clear. I don't know. Okay. I'm making this. So that I just spilled right here. So, where's the towel? This is my dirty blanket that I will never use. So I just put shampoo in here. That's it. Now you need a freezer, and you're gonna freeze it for 20 minutes, and then do that, come back. So while that's freezing, I'm not allowed to cut these videos for some reason. So I'm gonna go put this in the freezer, and then I'm gonna see what time it is. So right now it's 10 o'clock, so at 10:20 I'll get it, so I'll be right back. That really hurt. It's tape. Have to put some popcorn in a microwave. I know what we can do. So by the time I'm done this, okay, I don't know if I have this stuff for it. I think I should. The marker maker. We can make a marker. We can make a marker. I have everything we need. No, I don't. Wait. Maybe. I can make 2 markers. So if you want to watch this, you don't have to watch this part, but I'm going to make a marker. So here's my marker kit. I'm gonna make 2 markers because I have everything I need to make 2 markers. And I'll show you how to make them, I guess. Markers. Okay. So that just sits there. Okay. So the colors that I'm going to make a boy color and a girl color. So I guess we'll make a blue and a pink. Okay, so I'm going to make the blue. I don't know where it went. On the top of my finger right here. This one. Okay, and then the pink, it's just a pink. That's all it is a pink. So let's make them. Should I make a purple and a blue or pink? I guess I'll make pink because I don't have any pink. Okay, so we gotta measure stuff and all this stuff. It's just stuff. Okay, that looks so weird. Okay, so let's just start making. So I need, for the blue, I need 6 red dots. So like fill it to line 6. Here, I'll show you. This is not gonna help me one bit because it's facing you guys. You can't even see it. Okay, now we'll just leave it like that. Like that. Okay, so I'm gonna fill it up to the 6 line. Hold on. That is how you do it fast. Okay, so I overfilled it. So we went up to the line 9. So let's see what is 9 reds. So instead we're going to make a purple and a blue now, since I messed up. Okay, so wow, that I'll just like stir like that. Okay, so then you slowly put it in there because you can't like get all this stuff out. And now I can do it. Okay, so while that is doing that, I'm gonna get the other part ready, and that is when we use the machine. Yep, the machine. The thing that makes the thing work. So let's put these things back. And let's get started. So you're going to take this. Slowly get this and put it. So you put this thing in here, then you put this thing in here, I was like doing hand motions like, eh. So you put this in like that, and then you're gonna hear one click, and then it's supposed to be 2 clicks. So hold on. Yeah, there's another click. Ready? You gotta like push it like really hard. Ugh, I can't do it. I feel bad for kids. Like trying to make it and it's not working. Maybe it did go 2 clicks. Wait. No, hang on now. I have markers. Okay. So you put this on that, and then I'm gonna see. I don't think it worked. Okay, it worked. I guess. So I have one more marker that I can make, and it's going to be the blue, I guess. Is it the blue? It's the blue. I'm just gonna make a regular blue, so using like all blue. So let's fill this up. So I'll be right back. I got the ink on me. So I'm gonna go clean that. Hey, I'm back. I know what boys like. I know what they want. Just this. Got ink on me again. So let's get the marker ready. So you can put the tip in. Where's my tweezers? My tweezers. My tweezers. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. Put the cap on. Oh, you're probably gonna want to watch this. That's the second click. So let me see that marker that I just made. This marker. That was very hard. Very, very hard. Okay. So I made my markers. So now I gotta clean up. Clean up, clean up. This song is old. Clean up, clean up. Clean up everywhere. Clean up, clean up. Nobody knows how to clean up anyways. Anyways. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Oh, wait. You gotta put this here. Put this here. Mama could make it. So now that that is done, I'm going to go get our slime. And I'm also going to go wash my hands. So I'll be right back. The slime. It's a little thick and creamy. Good idea. Okay. So I actually made slime one time, and guess what? Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Just kidding. But something weird happened. So I made slime and I left it overnight, and guess what it did? It turned back into soap. So you need to use this. This will literally like turn into soap. So you need to like cautiously use this because it will actually just turn into soap like that. I can't snap. I'm gonna wash my hands without a sink. I'm gonna wash my blade. My hands are like bluish green. Okay, that looks so weird. So I got popcorn baking. So this video is going to be called making slime and then what? Making slime and making markers. Making markers and slime. Making markers and slime. Boom, 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 boom. I'm also making popcorn. This is like making stuff. I'm making videos and uploading them, so go watch them. Okay, and someone on another channel that I have, it's called Christopher Hart Jr. I might have mentioned this earlier, but she thinks my name is Christopher. My name is not Christopher. Christopher. My name is Maria. But my dad's name is Christopher. So I'm just using like his channel because he won't use it. He doesn't make YouTube videos. But I do. Please like, subscribe, and comment what I should do for my other videos. Yeah. Oh yeah, I saw that I got 37 views on my one video, I think. Did I? Or was that another channel? Was that my Christopher? Because I had 37. No, it was my other channel. Never mind, guys. But I had actually 37 views and 0 likes on one video. That's a little weird because I usually get like 1 or 2 likes, which, thank you for 1 or 2 likes. I am pleased with 1 like. I'm just playing with my slime, okay? I'll wash that off before my dad sees that. Cause this is not my computer. Yeah. I'm gonna like rub this on my arms. Okay, bye everybody. Oh, okay. Bye everybody. Have a nice day. Why isn't the thing working?